hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we are going to discuss about types of files that we are going to work on. There are two types of files. We have already done example of text file, and we will be doing the concept of binary file also. Two types of files. Guys, text file data is by default stored in a sky form. So we don't, there are different types of files, but text file is just one of them. Data is stored in the sky form, normally stored in stream of characters. So whatever you read from the console, you are writing into the file, that directly it is written as such. But that is not the case in binary form. Binary form means the data is stored in exact form. Exact form means in binary form. We have the data in binary form, which is not understandable to us, right? So it is stored in same way data is stored in main memory. So it is something which is understandable to the computer only. So there are different types of operation. Even if we try to implement the programs in binary files, we have to see how they are put up. Directly, same answers are not written as in the case of text files. So I will discuss about that also in the upcoming class. So there are two types of file. This is normally .txt file, and this is we can take it as .dat file as well. So in the upcoming video, we'll be discussing about the operations of binary files also. If you like this video, kindly like and share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, kindly post it in comment section so that I can answer. Thank you very much.